Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you're fine. I hope you're enjoying my videos. Please friends, subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, today I will tell you some safety precautions for rainy season. As you know, this is monsoon. So, what should we do? I will tell you. Drink clean and boiled water. Avoid street and junk food. Wash fruits and vegetables carefully. Wash your hands. Wash your hands often. Avoid getting too much wet. Stay away from electric poles. Cut down unnecessary grass and plants around your house to avoid snakes and insects. Beware of bugs. Ensure proper cleaning of your house and streets. I hope you learn a lot. Stay healthy in this monsoon. Okay friends, see you later. Bye bye.